Hello, and welcome to day 4, Thursday, April 8th. This is our last day before spring break. Let's see what we have to do for today. First, you'll watch this video, then you'll click Async. You have quite a few activities to do in Async. The first one is fact and opinion picture description. So you'll look at this picture and you're going to type 3 facts and 2 opinions about this picture. Remember, fact is something that can be proven. Opinion is your idea, what you think or feel about something. Okay, so you can put that in the comment section. Your next activity is in Mel. Okay, you have 2 activities in Mel. Now, remember, it is very, very important that you do complete these activities in Mel. All right, very few people are doing them. And so we need to make sure we do our Mel assignments so we can get more practice. Our next assignment, we're going to do an activity with because, which we will go over. So remember, you need to sign into your Carlos Rosario email, click My Document, and click Edit. And what you will do is you are going to see if because goes in the sentence or it doesn't. If it does go, you can leave it. If it doesn't, you can take it out. Okay? So you're just going to look for the word because and make sure it's used correctly. If it's not, you take it out and fix any other mistakes you see. All right? And then you click submit when you're done. Your next async assignment is making a budget. Again, you need to make sure you're in your Carlos Rosario email. You'll click My Document, you'll click Edit. And what you are doing is just you are filling out your financial goals. So example, I will save $5,000 in the next year because I want to put a down payment on a house. So you can fill in about 2 or 3 boxes. If you have financial goal more than that, feel free to put. But because goes in the middle, you say what you will do and the reason. Okay? How much will you save? What will you do to save? And why are you doing that? Or spend. Why are you doing that? Okay? Then your next assignment is, and the last one for async, is achieve 3,000. So you're going to read Right on the Money, and you will, here are some example of some fact and opinion questions that will help you so you understand how to answer them. Okay, so you're going to look for Right on the Money. All right. And that's it for async. It is Thursday, so we have Zoom class together. We will not do our Spark breakouts. We're just going to practice present perfect with non-action verbs and do a lesson on because. And um, that's it. And then you will go and enjoy your spring break. Good luck.